This was the best beef ribs I've ever made. I started by chopping some firewood into 20-inch lengths. These are perfect for stacking into a pyramid shape that makes a great fire. Once I got it going, I let the fire burn for about an hour, or until the temperature inside the oven reached 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's start with the marinade. Mix together extra virgin olive oil, salt, cumin, and garlic powder. Once the marinade is well combined, I'll use a food brush to apply a generous layer to the ribs, ensuring every inch is coated. Don't forget to flip the ribs over because we'll give the other side the same treatment with the marinade. Next, we'll seal in all that flavor by covering the baking tray tightly with aluminum foil. And using this pizza peel, I'll spread coals inside the oven to make space for the tray and ensure even heat distribution. I'm going to slide the baking tray into the center of the oven and let this bad boy cook for a solid 4 hours at 800 degrees Fahrenheit, or until the ribs are tender and easily pull away from the bone. This is the last video I filmed in Ukraine after the Russian invasion. I really miss my home. If you want to support me, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Fast forward 5 hours, and it's time to awaken our beef. Carefully remove the aluminum foil. Be careful. It can be quite hot, especially the trapped steam. Then, generously coat the ribs with a thick layer of homemade barbecue sauce, making sure to cover every inch. Let's return it to the oven, uncovered, for an additional 15 minutes, or until the sauce is heated through and the ribs are glazed. Okay, come closer and take a peek. These ribs smell absolutely fantastic. That's the secret to this cut. I swear by cooking these ribs only with an open fire and flames. I'm sure you'll be tempted to build your own pizza oven right in your backyard. Okay, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's carefully remove the ribs from the oven and slide them onto a cutting board. Just look at these ribs. The meat, cooked to absolute perfection, is tender and juicy. And here's the best part, the bones should just slide right out. This makes it easy to cut the meat into perfectly sized pieces for your guests. One of my friend's favorite recipes, this dish is a real crowd pleaser. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to share what you think in the comments below.